Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mahesh Trunakarasu. I'm so happy to see you all back in this new session, and this session is going to be very important, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic, and it's been going on for the last 6 months now, and every nation and in every country in the world has been suffering and has lost lakhs and lakhs of lives to this coronavirus, and everyone has been praying that some nation should come up with some kind of medications or vaccinations to combat this COVID-19 pandemic and fight against this coronavirus and make everyone's life better and a COVID-19 free universe. That's what everybody has been praying for. Finally, there is a Mumbai-based pharma company from India has come up with some great answer. I hope this goes very well and we fight this coronavirus. That's what we all look for. Okay, what is that magic medicine that is called favipivir? Favipivir is basically, it's been what is this favipivir? Favipivir is an oral medication. One point. And what does it do? It actually acts against RNA polymerase. It is a RNA polymerase. It is RNA polymerase means it's an enzyme. So it inhibits RNA polymerase. This enzyme is essential for viral multiplication. So once this medication inhibits or stops this enzyme, there won't be any viral multiplication. When there is no viral multiplication, the viral load will not go up. When the viral load doesn't go up, the patient will not get worse. The patient will actually get better, both clinically, everything, right? So the patient will will try to get better, and then they go home as soon as possible. That's the magic of this medication. And there are one more medication that's called favipiravir, and the trials claim that favipiravir acts better than the favipiravir. So this favipivir is a RNA polymerase enzyme inhibitor, and it decreases the viral load, right? So based on this medication, some clinical trials have been going on in different countries: India, Japan, China, and Russia. Okay, in India, what happened? In March or April, they conducted this study, like efficacy and the safety of this medication on 150 patients, COVID-19 patients. They conducted this trial. They started giving these medications to those patients and assessed the efficacy of these medications on those patients. So the good thing is, once a patient were put on these medications, by 4 days, this medication started showing a great improvement both clinically. Patients who had a headache or cough or a poor oxygenation or a difficulty breathing, they really started getting better by 4 days. That's what these clinical trials claims. The complete details and every explanation will be produced in coming up days. That's what they say. And if you look at China, they have conducted this study with this medication in 2 different trials. Okay, and in one trial they included 80 patients, and in the other trial they included 2,146 patients. The first study on 80 patients, they also showed a similar outcome. The 80 patients showed a similar outcome with a marked reduction in a cough, and their difficulty breathing got better, and because of this medication. And in Japan, they have been using this medication. It's currently under use for now. And in Russia also, there have been the clinical trials have been going on, and they have been also using this medication. So favipivir, and how safety, this medication comes in the form of 200 milligram, and this pharma company claims that this medication should be given 1,800 milligram twice a day for only 1 day, and the next 14 days this has to be taken 800 milligram twice daily. Before we put these medications or before we give this medication to patients, mild to moderate COVID-19 patients, the patient should be given, they have to give consents to the doctors that they are going to be on these medications for COVID-19. So so this study has been going on, and this medication is really working very well on this COVID-19, mild to moderate COVID-19 patients, and this is just early stage, and I know in many countries and many clinical trials have been going on, and to just check the efficacy and safety of these medications, and hopefully based on the clinical studies, what I have found, what I have read, I'm just sharing this video with you guys. And this is RNA polymerase enzyme inhibitor, and it decreases the viral load, and thereby it improves the patient's outcome without sending the patient into poor oxygenation or worsening of the symptoms. And that's how this medication acts. I hope, I wish, I want many more clinical trials to come up, and using these medications and many more medications. Not only that, just these medications. We want some more clinical trials to eradicate this virus from this universe. I hope I have given you enough information. I'm just giving you this information. I just wanted to share this information to you all guys, and I hope I will be seeing you in next video with another hot topic. Alright, until then, it's bye bye, and take care guys. I'm Dr. Mahesh Tanagarasu. See you soon. Bye bye.